everybody. So today I'm going to be making banana muffins, and it's Sunday, and Sundays to me are like a baking day, getting high, baking, and cleaning the house. That's what Sundays are. That's what they are to me. Not the high part, but when I was growing up, it was the day that my mother would do a lot of her baking and cleaning, and it seems like, you know, I'm falling into the same pattern, I guess, or I've been in this pattern for a while, or I don't know, but I like to do it high, so, you know, it just makes things better. So yeah, and it's still morning time, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm just gonna get in a pipe toke, and then well, I'll show you what I have set up or going on or whatever. I'm smoking the roach joint, or the roach, well, it's from the roach joint, which is from, the strain is Black Diamond, which is from Cannabismo. So it's like a Black Diamond or Cannabismo Black Diamond roach pipe toke. That's what we'll call it. It's good. Okay. I'm gonna stick oh my goodness, over there, and I'll turn you guys around, and then you can see. Okay, so, okay, I'm gonna wash my hands. Quickly. Okay, so I have my muffin tin already. We don't need that right this second. I have my slightly beaten egg, melted butter, sugar. This is baking powder, baking soda, and salt, flour, and mashed banana. Okay, so first what we're gonna do is grab our bowl, which I'm gonna use this big sucker. Oh, and you're gonna want to preheat. I'm gonna move this back a bit. You're gonna want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. So the first thing we're gonna want to do is we're gonna pour our mashed banana in there, and then we're going to add some sugar. And because bananas are already sweet, usually when the recipe calls for, like, say a cup of sugar, I don't put the cup in because I think it would be way too sweet. So just, you know, do it however, but put your sugar in, and then you're gonna mix it around. Just till it's mixed. And then we're going to add, what are we gonna add? I'm looking at the thing, and okay, we're gonna add in our egg. Mix it some more. And none of this says to use an electric mixer, otherwise I would be, but okay. And then we're gonna add in our melted butter. And we're gonna mix that around. So it's, you know, don't over mix it. Okay, so then in this bowl, we have our flour in here, and this is just the teaspoon. Well, there's a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. And we're gonna put that in there. I like to use a fork, you know, because like you don't want to get like a bite of like all this stuff into one, so I like to just, you know, do this. Just make sure it's all over. It's where the flour is, there's little pieces of the soda and the baking powder and the salt. I was gonna say too, so my bananas that I use, when they get to like this point here, I'll put them in the freezer, right? Say if you really want to make banana bread or something with bananas, even this recipe or whatever, and you don't have like the ripe bananas, what you can do is put like your bananas, okay, like let's use this one for example. Okay, it's starting to get like whatever, but I like more of the, when it gets like this color, tastes better. What you can do is you take your banana and you get a cookie sheet and you put tin foil, put your banana on there and put it at like 200 degrees your oven and just let it slowly, and it will brown up, and it will, and you just let them cool, and you could use the banana like that. That's a little tip. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to now put our dry into the wet, and we're just going to stir. And we got, while I'm stirring, we got a lot of, well, not a lot, but enough snow last night, so. And the plow went by, so that was kind of shitty this morning, shoveling like these big hard chunks. Ed and I. Okay, so you want it like that, like that's just gonna be your dough. And then what we're going to do is we're going to grab this. This is how easy this recipe is. Our muffin tips. You don't have to use the liners. Like you could just you know just spray this or whatever, grease it up or whatever. But I personally like the liners myself. I just do. Okay, so then we're going to put our dough into here. These say it makes 9 jumbo muffins, which I believe so. I believe it does. Well, I guess it depends how much you fill them up, right? And I had more of these, and for the life of me, I cannot find them, so, I'll just have to bake these. They don't take long. Let me, how long long did it say? 20 minutes, so maybe not. Maybe they'll be really jumbo, because I don't think there's like enough in here to make like even a full, I was gonna say a full donut, a full muffin. I don't think so. We'll just top them off. Okay. So some may be bigger than the other. The one next to it, but that's okay. Okay, so let's just this one here kind of looks like it has too much. We gotta share with the other muffins. Okay, so there is our muffins, and you know what? I don't know if you can. There. This is a perfect recipe. I was gonna say for like 2 people, because it's just Ed and I, and why make like 12 muffins when, you know, I would make 12 muffins and I would probably just give them to my kids or whatever. But this is a good little recipe. Okay, so next thing is, I wonder, hang on, I'm gonna turn, nope, not that way. I don't know what, let me see what you guys could see. Okay, so we're just gonna stick them in the oven, like so. And I'll put you guys there. Start the timer and I guess get in another toque, or yeah, toque, a pipe toque. And yeah, that's how to make banana muffins. There's probably way better recipes out there. I'm not, I don't know how well. Wish I was a little bit taller. I can be up like this, but anyways, yeah, I'll get in a pipe toque and wait for the muffins to bake, to be done. Regardless, even if they weren't good, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna be good. The house is gonna smell good. Goodness of banana. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, those are baking. I gotta clean up all of this stuff, and then when they're done, we'll see what they look like. We'll taste one, and maybe have a little chat or something. I don't know. But I gotta get this cleaned up before those are done, because I hate a messy kitchen when you're baking. So I'll be back in a second. Okay, so the muffins are done. They smell yum. Okay, let's bring you guys this way, and I will. There they are. Look at. They're big, but they look good. They look like it would fill you up for a couple hours at least. So what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna show you guys.
you're filming me now.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna try one of those?
Yeah, you are.
I'm gonna definitely get in a bong toke because I want to taste all the flavors. Eh?
Do you want any butter on it, or just like this is good?
However you think it would taste the best.
Ooh, they're steaming hot.
I'm just eating a breakfast sandwich that Donna made me. It's a omelet on toast. Eh? And now I'm gonna eat this. And what kind is this again?
This is a banana muffin.
A banana muffin.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's really hot.
Try that, and then I will.
Oh my fuck! It's really good. It's real good.
Okay, so Ed likes it, and I have to put that, and I will take the muffin, and I'll just take the top part. Ooh, I don't know if you can see the steam, maybe. You can, that's how hot they are. Fresh out of the oven. Okay.
I'll help you out, Donna. It's probably a little better.
These are really good. You're gonna want to make these if you're high.
You'll eat them all.
No. They're good. They're not too sweet. I don't
That's good.
like that. They're not too sweet, right?
Come a little closer, maybe.
Like that?
Yeah.
Like that?
No, up.
Like that?
Yeah, there you go.
I'm standing on my tippy toes like this. So yeah, they're not too sweet. Did you find them too sweet? Like they're just like sweet.
No, it's just perfect.
So yeah, that's how you make banana muffins. And I think that's everything because I have to get in some laundry and do a couple other things and yeah. So that's it. That's all. Bye.